Kept 3 opponents targeted. Blessed Geza house bombed and poisoned. Madugu tortured. Zinaso leader jailed no bail. Masbaba Shanduko 8 months. Sarawaka killed. Cube Scala trapped in South Africa. Rutendo gets 200,000 plus car. He is this project. We all know how Cap 3 opposers are treated. Sadc mashoko buda panguva ino vanhu vachiti no, nhau yamati Nyarare, it wasn't an issue yekuti pane madebts aakanga achiwa owed or something like that, but he is a true ZANU-PF and he supports Cap 3. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Comparing nemamwe ma-anti 2030 or ma-anti Cap 3 supporters, vakaita say those who were mentioned, vakaita sana Geza, who were destroyed. Nyarare panguva ino, as he was opposing Cap 3, now anoona he is being awarded money in a motor vehicle. Panguva ino tona kuti vanouya chikomenda vachiti state apparatus yakabva muhondo and its associated mode again. They are spent force. Mr. Potumbara recently gave a few war veterans bicycles worth less than $150 each, but today he has thanked a group of noisy, born-free hooligans who throw people on X with $10,000 each. Panguva he mentions the names, but before post ya Tumbara Kansi, I wish to reward these comrades who fought by all means to protect the president by providing them with a token of appreciation of $10,000 per person. During this period when Nyarare was attacking the president, these individuals did everything within their power to defend him and the first family. Mention my names amurikuona in the screen. Panguva inochiti panguva ine tinoti these hooligans vanoonekwa on X were defending the president, they are being offered $10,000, but don't ma war veterans vakaita kuti the revolution ivepo vanopiwa a gift in less than $150, which are bicycles. Developments anoonekwa panguva ine kuti zvigananda their in action. Ida comment section yetu dzafungira any more kudipa pamusoro pechituko ichi. So subscribe or like, watch on the bell icon.